There's a map of Lowther Castle and Gardens. Unfortunately, it's just about closing, 5 p.m. I've left it too late, and it didn't help that I followed the sat-nav and asked them where I parked my car was only half a mile away, and but the sat-nav took me 7 miles before I got here. Popular place, and yeah, I see if there's time for a cup of tea. There's wasps around here. Cappuccino scone, £5. Oh, well, that's standard, I suppose. Look, I was lucky. I got I think it closes at 5 o'clock, but no, still got in there. Must cost a penny for families to come here, though, with the entrance fees. I think £11 for an adult, and so I think there's no charge to go look around the outside of the castle. So I'm going here where there is no one. No one's interested in looking at the outside of the castle. Okay, a lady up there was taking a survey, and I said I was satisfied, but I said really I'd only just arrived, so yeah, it's a ruin, but a fantastic ruin, really. And the guy, actually I think he lived in it up until 70 years ago, and then he ran out of money and just left it. Perspective, the size of that castle, you can see some people there in that window down there, and massive place. But the guy who owned it just liked spending money, and of course, well, the money came from somewhere. But then on the other hand, people would say that he provided jobs, for the locals to come and service the estate and castle. Just there's a hole in the door here, so I can see a little bit inside the castle. And a massive place. Sure how enjoyable, because kids have been, well, it's their natural behaviour. They just have a whale of a time and make plenty of noise. I like these places to myself, but that's well worth paying £11 to have a look around, I should think, inside. You see a lot of the castles in, well, probably very many centuries old. Now the sun's gone in, which is good in a way, because it's been a very warm day, but yeah. Okay, he's in silhouette as the sun, well, it might have been shining. Someone just come in. There's a gatehouse there. It's an extensive park here. You could spend a full day here just going to the castle and then walking around the park. You don't need to walk all over Askham Fells. And so it's just a short visit here because I've left it a little bit late. I did a longer walk than I expected in the over the moorlands. So this I arrived here about an hour late, or yeah, but it's well worth spending the whole day here. It's worth coming here just for the park, the landscaped park there, and it goes down to the river Lowther, I think. So there'll be, yeah, that's a good hike there around the park. Okay, back to the car. That's only a short video. End of video.